Is stalling your dirt bike engine bad? Well, no, not generally, because if you're just trying to learn how to use the clutch and you let the clutch out a little too quickly, don't give it enough gas, and the engine dies, it's not going to hurt anything. Some people might say that it puts more wear and tear on like your chain and your sprockets, maybe your engine, the transmission, the clutch, because of that jerking. Well, yeah, it puts maybe a tiny bit more stress on it, but just think about if your engine is accelerating hard and braking hard, you're shifting gears, you can do just as much or more wear and tear on your dirt bike if you're just an aggressive rider. So if you're worried about damaging your bike, especially if you're new to dirt bikes and you're stalling, don't worry about it. Is it good to stall? No, but just going through that struggle of stalling and restarting and stalling and restarting, it's a challenge, and it's one of the things that makes riding a manual clutch dirt bike so fun. But if you feel like you aren't getting any better with your clutch control and it's getting frustrating, especially if you have like a kickstart dirt bike that takes constant kickstarting and you're getting worn out, it's just frustrating. Or maybe you're trying to teach your girlfriend how to ride and she'd rather just give up because she's restarting her bike so often. Well, if that's the case, then you need to focus on improving clutch control so that you aren't stalling it, and then you can focus on all the proper techniques such as body position, throttle control, brake control, stuff that I teach in my virtual dirt bikers school. But if you want to learn how to not stall your dirt bike, then you should check out this video here, and it'll show you how to reduce the amount of stalls you have by half in the first day. If it doesn't, let me know in the comments below.